Alright, I have a door rattle, my passenger front door. I think sounds like it's behind this trim right here. So you're gonna have to remove this trim piece here and access the bolts that hold it down. I'm gonna grab a trim tool like this. Next, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. And then lift the door handle and pop up after taking your trim tool and popping the pieces all around the door trim. So here's the inner door latch. I'm going to put felt tape right behind here. And I also put some behind this piece right here. I'm going to see if that's going to stop the rattling.